Jugar videojuegos. I like this hobby. I like doing this. Jugar videojuegos. Jugar videojuegos. This means to play video games or playing video games, okay? For example, I can say, ¿te gusta jugar videojuegos? ¿Te gusta jugar videojuegos? Do you like playing video games? So that's something also very good when talking, very common when talking about hobbies. You ask people, what do you like to do? Do you like playing video games? Do you like painting, drawing, writing, right? So this is good to know. This kind of question is good to learn. ¿Te gusta? ¿Te gusta? It means, do you like? Jugar. Jugar is a verb that means to play, playing. You can use jugar in many situations because people like to play different things. It could be different sports, video games, board games, you know, like there are so many games that you can, you know, play. You can enjoy playing. So jugar means to play or playing. Videojuegos, remember the V sound, V as in Victor in Spanish is pronounced B as in bell. B as in bell. So don't worry about, you know, this sound too much, because if you say it as V as in Victor, it's okay. Like people will understand what you're saying. But if you want to pronounce that correctly, the sound is B as in bell. Videojuego. Videojuegos. Video games, of course. Juegos, games. Videojuegos. Video means video, okay? Videojuegos. Excellent. Excellent. Jugar videojuegos. Do you like playing video games? I do. I do.